Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome to Love It by Andrea. Thank you so much for stopping by. And before we start, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, okay? And today I am going to show you my selections for my FabFitFun. So as you guys know, I am a select member for FabFitFun. And what a select member means, it means that you have to pay upfront the 4 seasons, and let me tell you that it's a really cool thing because your box is shipping before all the other members. And also now this season, spring season, they started, I hope they are going to continue with that, is that all select members, we were able to start our selection before all the others members. So that was a really huge plus. So now let me show you my selections. Okay. For the first selection, the 3 products. Actually, I got the 3 products. This one is the one that I chose to come in my box. That it was the Deluxe Demi Backpack. So this is the backpack. Let me open here. So I really like it. It seems to be, it has some space. And the other 2 products that I added to this selection, to the selection number 1, it was diffuser. So I got this diffuser for $10 extra. So it came with oil, essential oil in orange. Smells really good. I didn't open it yet. There is a cable. And they say that this diffuser changes color. The other product that I paid for, it was this one here, that it was part of the first selection. So I got from the first selection, I got the 3 products. And it's this robe from Show Me Your Moo. Let's try it. I like to have those robes whenever I'm doing my makeup. I already destroyed one of my jeans because I got like foundation on my jeans and I couldn't get it removed. So I like to have those just to have for my makeup or whenever I am doing something around the house.
So here it is. The sleeves are here. Okay, I like it. Ooh, show me a moo-moo. Let's move on.
The second selection, they had 2 sunglasses. Actually, this selection, they had like 4 products. So it were like 2 sunglasses from Key, 1 picnic set, and from Corres, a face mask. Okay, so I chose to come on my box the Key sunglasses. This one is my girl, and it's a cat eye, and I love cat eye.
I love it. Do you like it? Ooh.
And the other selection was, ooh, I destroyed my hair. It was Vivienne in black and smoke. But I didn't get this one, just got this because Vivienne is like an aviator. The picnic set I didn't want it because it was like just for 2 people, and I do have 4 in my house, so it was a no for me. From this selection, I paid for the Kohl's White Rose Vitamin C Brightening sleeping mask. It was like just 10 bucks for this one, and the normal price for this mask is around $48. Let's go to the third selection. The third selection, it was measuring spoons that I didn't want it. The other one was body lotion that I didn't want it. But it was the third option. It was a mystery item. The last time I got also the mystery item, and I love it. I'm gonna link here to my last video from my FabFitFun, so you can see what I got as a mystery item. Okay, don't forget to check it out. Mystery item, it was the first stick, and I love this brand. It's a lipstick duo. It's like this one here. It's a red. Beautiful. So the cap is magnetic, so it's really cool. And this other end has the lip balm. The first 3 selections are for all members. Now it comes more choices just for select members, but that doesn't mean that all the other members are not gonna get those products. It's just they don't get to choose them. Okay, the fourth selection that it was just for select members, and if you're not a select member, you're gonna get one of those. The first one was the one necklace that I didn't want it. A Sip by Swell, that is a water bottle. And the third one was a Ciate translucent setting powder. It's so cute, the packaging. From Ciate, London. So the fourth and last selection that is only for select members, and if you're not a select member, you're gonna get one of those 3 options. Okay, the first option, it was the Tulip Purifying Face Cleanser, and the other 2 products were a jumping rope that I didn't want it. And this one, everybody's talking about it, and I am dying to try it. That it is a daily detox brushing. So it's dry brushing your whole body before you go into the shower. And they sent this from Daily Concept. The normal price for this one is $18, and I paid $10 for this one. Now comes the 3 products that it comes for everybody. Okay, so the first one is from Way, and it is the Leave-In Conditioning. The second one is from Dr. Branded, and it is Needless No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Last one, it is from Manakada, and I already heard about this brand. I'm not familiar. I don't think that I get anything from this brand yet. So it's Manakadar Champagne Body Scrub. Thank you so much for stopping by here in my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support, okay? Without you, I wouldn't be here doing what I like to do. As always, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? See you next time. Bye!
To come on my FabFitFun box. Spring additional edition. How sweet, Lord.